Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 25th, 2023, 7:45 p.m. This is a NuTone Proline 1 56-inch industrial fan. I have it hitched up to a 5-speed Enviro fan control. And now the spin down. Now this fan was manufactured in 1985. I believe that was actually the first year of that particular lower canopy. The one that looks like Homer Simpson's head or Bender the Robot, whatever you want to call it. The trapezoidal canopy, I believe they made up until 84, because I have an 84 Pro line, actually a couple of 84 Pro lines that have that canopy instead. This, I believe, was actually one of two Pro lines that I acquired from a gas station, but I could be wrong. I think those were pretty sufficiently battered. I think I might have, not sure, maybe I got this one when I got the Universals, but yeah, I picked up two of these at a gas station out in Littleton or Ayer, somewhere out in 495, and bought a pair of them, and one of them was so bad I painted it, and I think E-Man Fan got that one, but I'm not entirely sure. thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you would, please. And stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.